Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about Grignard reagent. Previous video I gave a signature list. What we have discussed in previous video, which is strong acid, which is good acid, which is a strong acid, definitely its conjugate base is weak base. In that signature list I had given RH is a weak acid, right? So go through the list once again. So in that list, in that video, I had given RH. RH is alkanes. Alkanes are least acidic. Weak van der Waals forces, and least acidic also. Least acidic compounds after losing acidic, what it is least acidic? After losing hydrogen, what is the rest part? R minus. It is what we call it as its conjugate base, right? This is strong. Okay, so weak acid gives strong bases. Now, I am going to start now Grignard reagent. So, what is Grignard reagent? Organometallic compounds RMgX, right? So, we have to prepare this one. What is R here? R is alkyl group. R is alkyl group. It can be methyl, it can be ethyl, anything. Okay. Sometimes they will give aromatic also. So AR that is aromatic. R is nothing but methyl, ethyl, propyl, like this. Okay. Now aryl compounds also we have, that we will discuss later. So first you can see Grignard reagent here. How we can prepare this one, students? Alkyl halides. So take one example, methyl chloride, suppose. Methyl chloride, it's treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Whenever we will do active metals reaction, we have to maintain dry conditions. Dry conditions. Even Woods reaction, we have seen sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Similar, like whenever active metals, definitely we have to maintain dry conditions, dry ether. So what is this? This is magnesium dry ether means Grignard reagent preparation. In sequence question, organic chemistry also, like coming videos, I am going to do more sequence questions. In sequence questions also, this is one of the point they are including. So magnesium dry ether means Grignard reagent preparation. Sodium dry ether is nothing but Woods reaction. So now see what is this? CH3MgCl. This is the way we are preparing Grignard reagent. What is this Grignard reagent name? Methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. Okay. Now its action, some reactions we can see. Before going to the reaction, R minus, Grignard reagent, it acts as nucleophile and it acts as base. 2 points. So Grignard reagent, I am writing here R minus MgX. Metals never exhibit negative oxidation state. This is magnesium, good metal, active metal, Mg plus. This is R minus. Yes, this R minus, it can act as base, and one more point is it can act as nucleophile. It has two actions, students. So when it acts as base, when it acts as nucleophile. That's all. If you find out this point, then number of questions, very easy way you can work out about Grignard reagent. So see the partner which is giving protonic acid, which is giving acid, which is giving which is losing hydrogen, which is giving proton is nothing but acid. No, the previous video we have discussed who is giving protonic acid, who is giving hydrogen. Those are all acids. So suppose Grignard reagent reacting or else combining with what is this acid, acidic compounds, then Grignard reagent acts as base. Suppose base is not, hydrogen is not giving certain compounds, then definitely they provide electrophile. They have electrophile. If electrophile partners are combining with Grignard reagent, then Grignard reagent start action like nucleophile. Okay, we look into some reactions, we'll come to know. See students, I am giving one reaction here, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol plus CH3 MgCl. So what is the product? What is the product? Can you guess what is the product? Main product. See here. So Grignard reagent, right? This is minus. Grignard reagent has two capabilities. One, it acts as base, another kind nucleophile. So now Grignard reagent, this one, the Grignard reagent, you'll see the partner. Yes, partner ready to give hydrogen. Ready to give hydrogen. So whether it is weak acid, strong acid doesn't matter. It is giving proton, it is giving acidic, it is an acidic nature or not, that's it. He is weak acid also no problem, but he is the guy strong base, right? So why? Because RH, strong, weak acid give conjugate base, its conjugate base is strong base. We have studied, right? So now you can write the answer. Simple. Just this hydrogen you can add here. That is your main product. CH4 hydrocarbon. You'll get alkane. Plus, what is the byproduct? CH3. What is this? You can write MgOCH3 and this is Cl. This is byproduct. Byproduct, you no need to remember. Just if they ask, you can write. That's it. Main product is hydrocarbon. Now next one. Yes, aryl magnesium chloride, aryl groups also. This is also Grignard, C6H5 minus, Grignard reagent, right? So now again Grignard reagent, whether it acts as acid or base, you can check it. Sorry, whether acts as base or nucleophile, check it. See here also acts as base only. Why? Because in the acidic nature list out the NH3 also there, no, but it is weak acid, whatever it may be. According to Bronsted acid base theory, amphoteric in nature, ammonia and water molecule, right? So they have capability to lose hydrogen and accept hydrogen. Both are there, amphoteric in nature. So NH2H, you can write like this, NH2H. Yes, that's all. Here, this is your answer. Okay. So what is the main product? Benzene. Plus, what is this byproduct? NH2. After losing hydrogen, NH2. And what about this guy? Cl. That's all, students. Easily we can write. Okay. Now, next, another one. Phenol. Phenol with C2H5MgCl, methyl, ethyl magnesium chloride treated with phenol. What is the product? What is the name of this compound? Ethyl magnesium chloride. Ethyl magnesium chloride. Okay. What about this guy? Yes, phenol. So, can you try? What is the product here, students? C2H5 minus. See, you will see the partner. We'll see the partner. Partner gives hydrogen. It will give acid. It will give hydrogen. Then, so you'll get, what is the C2H6? It abstract proton. It abstract proton. And what is the byproduct, students? What is the byproduct? So most of the students know they will give ring type structures, means maybe that is the main product they will think. It's not like that. It's not like that. Just you will see the action. If Grignard reagent acts as Grignard reagent has two capabilities. One acts as base, one it acts as nucleophile. Depends on the partner. Partner ready to lose hydrogen, ready to give hydrogen. Proton it is donating. Proton donor is it accepting? It acts as base. Some of these compounds, that also I'll give examples. Some compounds not ready to lose hydrogen. They're not giving hydrogen means definitely they will provide electrophile. Then Grignard reagent action like nucleophile. Okay, now what is the byproduct, students, here? So magnesium, and what is this? O, and this is what? Cl. This is the byproduct. That's it. Now I am going to list out all protonic acid compounds. Above list one. Previous video, what I have given: sulfonic acid, C. CH3, CH2, CH2, MgCl. One Grignard reagent I have taken. I am using number of reagents here. Check it. RSO3H. Okay. Next I am taking water. Next I am taking ammonia. Next acetylene. Acetylene. sp hybridized carbon. Look into this. In hydrocarbons, alkenes, alkenes, alkynes. Which is more acidic? Alkynes are acidic in nature. Alkynes are acidic in nature. The two terminal alkynes. The better word is terminal alkynes. Students, why alkynes are more acidic? Because of S character. S character. Here S character is 50%. Why? Because we all know this is sp hybridization, right? So in organic chemistry, simple way you can remember, no, both the sides single bond, it is sp3 hybridization, that particular carbon. At least one side multiple bond. If multiple bond is double bond, that is sp2 hybridization. Multiple bond, triple bond, that is sp hybridization. Next one, both the sides double bond. Both the sides double bond also we are taking sp only. Why? Because in sp hybridization here you will get 2 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds. The same like you may get here, you will get here also 2 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds. So this is very close to sp hybridization. That is the reason. So both the sides double bond also. The best example we have studied, no, CO2 molecule, like that. So come back to this one. Yes, both the sides we are observing sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means S character is 50%, P character is 50%. Wherever S character is more, that is more acidic in nature. Right? So now only terminal. Suppose if you will take this one, students, butyne, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you will take it CH3. Or else this one also you can take it, no problem. This is CH2. Okay. This is not acidic in nature. Not acidic in nature. Not acidic in nature. Why? What is the reason? Triple bond is there, no? But triple bond carbon do not have hydrogen. Triple bond carbon having hydrogen, that only easily lose. That only easily giving hydrogen. That only acidic in nature. What could be the reason? sp hybridized means S character is more, right? S character 50%. If S character increases, what happens? Electronegativity increases. Electronegativity increases. If carbon is more electronegative when compared to hydrogen, that slightly 2.4, 2.1. Now because of S character, electronegativity is increasing. He is attracting electrons towards itself more. Then between carbon and hydrogen, bond is weak. Bond is weak means easily lose hydrogen. Easily lose hydrogen, we call it as acidic in nature, right? So that's why. And here sp hybridized carbon we have, but it doesn't have hydrogen. That's why it is not acidic in nature. Like propine, if you will take propine, yes, it is acidic in nature. 2-butyne, no. 1-pentyne, yes. 2-pentyne, no. Like that we'll do questions. So organic coming videos also, alkanes chapters and all I am going to give. So we look into that later. So ROSO3H, H2O and H3. Next acetylene and compounds like phenol, and which will give proton. Which will give proton. Next, what is this? Carbonic acid, anything. acid. With all these compounds, with all these reagents, with all these compounds. So what is our answer? Simple. See, Grignard reagent, he is the guy, the partners all will give hydrogen, all will give hydrogen, right? So then, just that hydrogen will come and proton H plus. Attack here, add here, that's it. That is our answer. Like this, in good number of questions we can do. Okay, now. Next, one more question I am giving here. Try yourself. Yes. Tell me what is the answer? See, just to try. H plus OH minus, right? Again, this is amphoteric in nature. No, this hydrogen will go and attack. Water is slightly acidic in nature, less acidic, no problem. But Grignard reagent is strongest base, no, it abstracts. So finally, what you will get product? Toluene. Among the following reagents, which will give toluene? So like that, we will expect the question. Okay. So now next one. One more I said no. Grignard reagent acts as nucleophile. When it acts as nucleophile, especially carbonyl compounds. Okay. So carbonyl compounds. See, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. So I am writing Grignard reagent CH3MgCl. Right, students? Now, see, this is minus, this is plus. Never change. Like this only, always. Now, look into partner. His partner is carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds generally not acidic in nature. Some conditions is there. So, electron withdrawing groups are present. Suppose electron withdrawing groups are present. In between methylene group is there. That is active methylene group. It gives hydrogens. That cases are there, but whenever the reactions we are discussing, we will do. But generally, carbonyl compounds not acidic in nature, do not give hydrogens. Now, carbonyl compound is good electrophile. See, between carbon and oxygen, who is more electronegative? Yes, oxygen is more electronegative. Its value is 3.5. It's second most electronegative element in the periodic table, right? So he is attracting electrons towards itself such a way he will get partial negative charge here, partial positive charge here. This is electrophile only, no? Electrophile only, no? Formaldehyde is more reactive. Why formaldehyde is more reactive? See, just I'll take one more example, acetaldehyde. If you will take acetaldehyde, students, here also same thing. So pi electrons shifts towards oxygen side such a way develop partial negative, partial positive charges. See, it is less reactive when compared to formaldehyde. Why? Because within the compound itself it can stabilize. See, his electron releasing group, plus I group, no? Plus I groups are electron releasing group. In the previous video I said carbon neutral condition only stable. Whether it is carbocation also unstable, carbanion case also unstable, right? So this is now he is taking electrons from neighbor, he is getting stabilizing. That's why he is not taking faster from outside. That's why reactivity is less. Like that we are explaining. So we'll do that later. Now here what is important? Yes, here Grignard reagent acts as nucleophile. Okay, see, nucleophile always search electrophile. That's all. If you will catch this point, main point, afterwards, it's very easy. Look into this. HCO minus H as it is, you can write. Okay, the CH3 group added. Okay, fine. Next, this is wherever positive is there, wherever negative is there, positive will go and attack. That's all. Further step, what we will do? Hydrolysis. That's all. Bond breaking here, and hydrolysis is nothing but H plus OH minus. H will attack here, OH here. That's it. What is the final product? CH3, check it. CH3, conveniently I am writing. CH3, CH2, and just no hydrogen attack here, no OH. That's all. This is main product. What is the byproduct? MgCl and OH. This is what we call it as primary alcohol. So you may expect questions like this. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent. What is the product? Primary alcohol. Okay. So you can write the conclusion here. Formaldehyde with Grignard reagent. It gives primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde. I am giving work to you. Test yourself question, students. So try yourself. If you are getting fine, so otherwise next video I will explain this Grignard reagent. So I'll give you hint also. Secondary alcohols. You'll get secondary alcohols. And next one, ketone. That is one of the common example, propanone, acetone. What is the common name? Acetone. With Grignard reagent, we get tertiary alcohol. Okay. So I am giving acetaldehyde with the same Grignard reagent. You can take it, students. MgCl. Tell me product. Write the product. So next one, ketone. That is acetone. That is also with the Grignard reagent. Here also, what is the product? Try yourself. Now, next one. One more question. Second year alcohols chapter. Next phenols chapter. Carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids, amines. Next one. One more. What is this? Carboxylic acid. Oh, already said no, carboxylic. All chapters it will cover. Grignard reagent if you have command. See, look into this. I am giving one example. Are you able to do it or not? CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. This is propanoic acid. Yes, propanoic acid now reacting with the Grignard reagent. CH3. Okay, little tricky. I will give. What is the product? What is the product? If they will give big complexes, sometimes no big ring structures also they will give, or sometimes no like this bulky groups, tertiary alcohol. Yes, tertiary alcohol with the Grignard reagent. NaCl. So try. What are the products? See, this is Grignard reagent, right? Grignard reagent acts as base or nucleophile. We have to find out. See, is acid, good acid. Carboxylic acids are good acidic in nature, right? It will give hydrogen. That's all your answer. That is your main product. So I'm writing here answer. Check it. What is this? CH2, CH3, ethyl benzene. That's all. What about the byproduct? You can write byproduct. So what is this? Just this one, this part O minus. No, this is O minus this part, and this is plus part. You can write both. So that's all. O, C double bond O, C2H5. That's it. Now next one, this is the guy Cl. This is the byproduct. This is main product. Here also try yourself. This is tertiary alcohol, no, tertiary alcohol and Grignard reagent. This is the phenyl magnesium chloride. Okay, this is Grignard reagent minus. That's all. This is alcohol, tertiary alcohol. It is acidic in nature. So it is going and attacking here hydrogen. So finally we will get answer benzene. This is the main product. Byproduct means this plus and this minus, here minus. Okay. So what is this byproduct? CH3, CH3, CH3. Next, what is the students? O minus MgCl. That's all, students. Okay. And one more question I am giving here. So try that one also. No problem. If you are not getting coming videos, I'll explain that. So what is that? CH3 MgCl plus carbon dioxide. Totally 3 questions I had given to you. The coming video, I will explain these 3 question solutions. Okay, and some reducing agents questions also I will give. So like bond line representation question. Okay, students, thank you. Thanks for watching. So organic chemistry, I am going to do good number of videos every day. 2 videos I am going to upload. Please watch and give your valuable feedback. Thank you, students. Bye bye.